Alrighty guys, got another quick walkthrough for you. Today we're looking at a 2010 Winnebago Via 25R. Now this is on the Dodge Sprinter chassis with a V6 diesel motor and a single slide. This coach is full body paint, that's why it looks so pretty for being 10 years old already. These tires are 5 years old, they're 16-inch tires. Here's your first storage compartment. Electric awning, carefree awning, pretty much spans the whole length of the coach. You do also have side cameras, which is very cool. When you put your blinkers on, it'll show your blind spots. Next storage compartment, and we got your generator. It's not a propane, it is a 3200 watt diesel gen. I got it on to run the AC inside. See your backup camera right there. You do have a 5,000 pound hitch. You can see brake connection right above the 7-pin. On the other side, here's your slide. Like I said, it's almost the full length of the coach. It's about 18 inches deep, it looks like. There's a weird little area for a storage area, but you got it here, and that drops down to be a second shelf. Right under you got your dump station and power cord. It is a 30 amp power service. Let's actually plug this bad boy in. There we go. There's another additional power cord they have in here. You can see your storage for your hoses and then your dump right below, already below the coach. Dual tires in the back, Alcoa wheels. And your technically, I mean, not a full passer to the other side, but two storage compartments connected right here. Fuel fill. Once again, side cameras, nice little window right here. Now this is considered a Class A based on the shape and the style, but it's only 26 feet overall. So quite unique. All right, let's go inside. Couple steps in. You do have a nice screen door right here. All right, so here is the first look and feel of this coach. All right, so sitting in the driver's seat, let me turn the air down because it is quite loud. Mirror controls. It's like a gen control. Miles 38,727. Oh yeah, it's only a little hot today. Jeez. Backup camera and side camera comes up on here. Looks like they had a Sirius system installed. Your battery boost, visor, and of course, radio power. Here's your visor right here. It's a full width of the front. Now this isn't gonna go down all the way because I want you to be able to see in case it does get locked into place so you don't crash. And then the other thing down there is just radio power, either from the engine or the house. All right, so over on the right side, you got a little storage right here. Cup holder, a little storage up there with an additional cup holder. And then a little medicine cabinet, no desk or anything. But these seats right here, they do lift up, push down, and they will actually turn around. As you can see, you got a big step down, so it's kind of a pain to get them turned around, but you can do that. And then you can use that as a little center table there for drinks. And that's going to be your dinette area right there for this couch, which we'll get to that. But up above, you do have an overhead bunk. Now the bunk, let's see if I can do it with one hand. It's going to be tough. Here we go. So here's your overhead bunk. So you just kind of jump up there. There's not really a ladder or anything, and it is kind of angled. That's just how these Vias are, but it does have a sleeper. If you move a lot, it may not be the best sleeping area, but good for kids. They would love it. So like I said, your slide goes from that corner all the way down to that corner right there. Your couch, you think it'd do something crazy, it really doesn't, but you do have storage under. And you see that's actually the table for that right there to be a dinette. Behind here, these cushions, you can move these, flip this down, and then you got yourself a single sleeper. A double if you're really comfortable, but I call it a single. And you just put these back. And then there we go. So your screen right here, pretty unique. Check that out. It comes from the bottom, then just drops back down. But you also got a daytime screen too, and you can connect those halfway. Very cool. I love the screens in here. They also kind of have the curved European style cabinetry. Winnebago did this a lot around the 07 to 10, 12 time. You see that goes through quite far. All three of those compartments. And then these two, same concept. So, you also, over here, under this cup holder, got a little bit of storage. And then this one, you can lift up. It's actually got a pull-out desk. There you go. Give yourself a nice little seating area. TV remote, desk, drink holder. You're set. And that'll just easily roll away with some WD-40. All right, so let's go to the kitchen. Before we get there, though, your Jensen multimedia player, light controls, breakers, battery disconnect, Ani is electric. A little bit of storage under the couch, under the sink here. And then this is the other side of that storage. So it's a couple different ways to access it. Plumbing and water filter not too far in the way. As you can see, your sink here, it's kind of unique. It pops up. Don't mind the water, keep some of the moisture out. And then you do have, surprisingly enough, Corian countertops in here, which are kind of nice. 2-burner gas stovetop. A real backsplash, not just a sticker. Microwave input, some paperwork. This is a convection microwave because there is no oven. Smaller, but still convection. And you got these drawers all right here. Pots and pans, they definitely use that for that. All right, you got heat, carbon monoxide. Here's your fridge. It is a propane or electric fridge. Now it's I call it very similar to like a big dorm room fridge because you got the kind of pull down freezer. A little bit of storage in the door. Like I said, pull down freezer. Now this thing actually looks like it could freeze and not let some of that ice out, which happens so often. Slide control, gen hours, you can see 55 hours on the gen, not much. Your controls for your level testers, battery voltage, things like that. Your bed. This is your bed. This is your main sleeper. Now it's kind of unique. You can, let's see, is there any, I don't think there's storage below, but you can pull this out and then these two cushions will drop down and act as just a bigger mattress. Let me back up and show you. So it gives you that extra 8 inches roughly on the width. So kind of cool. Or you could just push it in, make it a day bed, whatever. Now your closet, you got actually a pretty decent sized closet. It says full wall right here. Nice little pull out drawer there. Probably got some wiring stuff behind that false panel. Lots of socks and underwear storage. Now this one's technically your pantry. And then these two are technically your wardrobe. And you see you got a little light in there, nice carpet. Pretty decent sized wardrobe for a 26-foot RV. AC is fully ducted. Looks like, I'm not sure if they're LEDs. Based on the color, I don't think they are, but you never know. I love the TV location too. I mean, you know, 2010, so they didn't have the best mount areas for it, but the slide actually comes right behind the TV right there. It's kind of cool. Thermostat, and then your bathroom. And your shower. Shower is almost 2x3, it looks like, probably a little bit smaller. Me personally, I am 5'9". I'm not very tall, I know. There's a clothes hanger in my way, but you actually got a decent amount of room. You could be upwards of 6 feet. If you took the clothes hanger out, the actual faucet goes up pretty high. Plastic toilet, nothing too crazy. You got a little sprayer. And then you got light controls, toilet paper area, storage under that sink. It is a small little metal sink in here. And there you go. Yeah. Oh, and then also you got a fantastic fan right above us. And I always point it out, but you do have AC and heat in the bathroom. Because if this door's shut and you want to stay warm while you're doing your business, no big deal. Yeah, so quick walkthrough. I know You know, it's not a very big coach, so you can go through it pretty quick, but hope I gave you a good peek at it. We'll jump outside and give her one more good look. Like I said, it's a 2010 Winnebago Via 25R on that Dodge Sprinter chassis, V6 diesel. Sorry about the wind. Electric awning. Honestly, not a bad little coach by any means. This is here at Padada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona. Got a price at $62,995. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, my name's Taylor Quayle. Give us a call. Have a great day. Be sure to wash your hands.